butter leaf lettuce, paprika, snap peas that do not go with the recipe at all.
Yeah. Black iced tea or super fruit.
Are you into it?
Cheers. I'm drinking water. Let's stay hydrated.
Why?
H2O, as it were.
Why are you drinking water?
We are at the Lost Parrot Cafe
In, where are we?
South Pasadena.
Then we are in Pasadena. I thought you said
We're in South Pasadena.
I thought you said we're not in Pasadena
Talene
at
needs
all.
her caffeine fix.
Which is decaf. What did we just learn though? Let's tell them what we just learned.
Okay,
I
what
don't
did
even
you
know if
just
they can
learn?
hear
That's
us
your
because
department.
it's kind of loud. But this plan looks good.
No, that's like here.
I like it.
Then you gotta go higher. That's what I do. Because then you want to look up at
He's
it.
new.
What are you doing there?
So I'm putting in some almond milk.
2 yard.
But what did we just learn? Tell them what we just learned.
What did we just learn,
And
Winston?
we're filming a reflux video, so that's why it's amazing that we just learned
Cold brew.
that. That cold brew is less acidic
Because it never hits hot water.
because it never hits hot water.
Yes.
Thank you. See? Perfect.
You learn something new every day.
Awesome.
Beautiful.
So this is the setup. Alex set it up. I love the cashews in the background. Here's the spices we're gonna be using. Cumin, paprika, allspice, my favorite. This is going in the salad and the dip. Corn and black beans and butter lettuce.
We are doing a fusion Armenian Cuban cuisine today for you folks.
Tell them who you are and how we met and how long you've known me.
Lordy.
It's like an
Is there
icebreaker.
enough time for that?
But in a nutshell,
I'm Alex.
tell them in a nutshell.
In a nutshell, Talene is one of my bestest, most favoriteest friends in the whole world. And we met working together about 20 years ago. Exactly.
I was his secretary, basically.
My babysitter. too.
Slash babysitter.
Watch the twins when I would take them to the office.
It's true.
Color.
Hi, twins. Shout out to the twins.
Maya.
Yeah!
Yeah.
They didn't even know they were going to be in the video today.
No. So there we go.
That's a good shot.
So what we're gonna do is marinate the chicken at this point. I'm gonna drizzle some of my patented 100% virgin olive oil.
Patented?
Yeah. It's Jose Cuervo tradition.
Oh my god.
Okay, that's about good.
That's perfect. I love it.
Do a little patented Corona extra salt. For those that have high
You're
blood
very
pressure, we're gonna light on that.
You're very Latin.
Oh, paprika.
Okay, go. You gotta give it a second. Or whatever you want. You already killed it with paprika. We're all dying. We're already dead.
Fine. I'm gonna get my hands dirty.
Get in there.
Mix it in all up. So I'm also adding fresh turmeric, root turmeric, and ginger. Not too much. Fresh is my middle name.
Really? I don't remember that.
Wow. How long have we known each other?
I don't know.
I'm sure we've all purged a lot of information from that point.
I haven't hid anything from you.
Get a nice little fine grater. And just begin grating.
That smells good too.
Very fresh, very good, very healthy. And then we're gonna do the turmeric. It's very easy. It's not as time consuming as one would think. There we go. I'm gonna juice this a little bit more olive oil. Just a
Interesting.
smidge. Put slightly more salt. And I'm also adding a little bit of cumin.
Okay. See, it's not that hard to cook reflux friendly because it's still delicious. It still tastes good. And you just omit the garlic and the onion and the citrus.
Replace it with other spices.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to dump this in here. So we're also draining the beans. And oh, there we go.
Don't hurt yourself.
I will.
We don't need any first aid in this video. Although I am certified.
Wonderful. It's good to know. You're my first aid go-to. Okay, so we've cleaned and separated the lettuce. What we're going to do is place this neatly and nicely in our salad bowl. What to do next is chop up our cilantro, slice up our avocado. So we have our nice fresh cilantro, which I wish you guys could smell through this camera, but fortunately, just have to take my word for it.
I like how you cut it.
Delicious. There you go. And then just easily peels.
So smart.
Voila.
I'm gonna start doing that.
I'm gonna use these to garnish the top, so what I'm gonna do is just peel them for now. And I will mix all the ingredients in the salad and then top this off. So what we have next is our plantains, which we will fry up in this wonderful skillet. I'm using 100% pure vegetable oil. Okay, so what we have is our sliced plantains. We've got our oil nice and warm. And what I've taken is a proactive measure to have a plate with some towels ready to soak up the oil when we are done cooking our plantains. Ooh, see, that's perfect right there.
Really?
Yeah. That's good enough.
Oh my god. Wow.
Nice, crispy golden brown going. Beautiful. Yeah.
Mmm, it's hot.
Is it hot?
Mmm, it's so good.
Is it
Burning
good?
my fingers though.
Let me see.
Mmm, so good. I love it.
No, perfectly sweet.
You are Cuban.
Okay, so what we're doing next is preparing the yogurt for the kebabs. So what we have is a fresh cucumber, fat-free, plain yogurt, salt, and dill. So. So we're cutting our dill. Let's start with that. Wow, it smells amazing.
Okay.
So now that we've minced our dill and cucumber, we're gonna go ahead and add some yogurt.
We're doing fat-free plain yogurt.
fat-free.
Yogurt. Okay, good.
Real California milk.
Mm-hmm.
All right, and we're just gonna give this a whirl, but before I do that, I am gonna sprinkle some salt on here. Again, we gotta be heart conscious. And we're gonna let this chill for a minute in the refrigerator. Let it keep cool.
You're so smart. I love it. Where am I going though?
Going to the barbecue at the back.
Cooking up some chicken.
We're greasing up our chicken here. I think this is right at the good temperature. Yes. Open this up.
You added some more olive oil?
A little olive oil. Never hurt anybody. I think I'm gonna do these crossways here.
Lovely. I'm gonna follow the food.
Follow the food.
How long did you leave it on the grill for?
About, I don't know, what would you say? I didn't really time it. I'd say 10
As long as for me to go on
minutes.
Instagram and check my likes.
Correct. Which is approximately 10 to 15 minutes.
Yes, okay.
So we're making salad dressing for the Cuban salad. We've got raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar, some olive oil, and again some salt. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the olive oil. So we have our salad dressing, we have our fried plantains, and now we have our salad, which we are going to mosey this on over here. So we're going to toss this very quickly, very gently, very lovingly. We're going to treat this salad.
Wow, I love your food.
Cilantro is amazing in this dish. What I'm going to do now is garnish with our avocado, which we sliced earlier. There we go.
That looks good.
I'm going to toss this now. Give it a quick whirl. There we go. That way the avocado gets some love. Now again, the dressing, just as a reminder, this was extra virgin olive oil, organic unfiltered apple cider vinegar, and salt. And I think that'll do it. And lastly, I'm going to have our compadres here.
That looks good.
There we go. And there you have your fried plantains, avocado, Cuban salad.
Yeah. Apricots for Alex for his meal prep because this video turned into a meal prep for Alex. I need a camera guy
We need a camera person.
in real life to follow me around. My hair fell down. I'm not in it. This is all about you, Alex. Okay, I'm gonna post my other video.
You know what?
While you get your life together. They don't want my body, they just want my money.
That's what I'm saying.
The camera woman has to eat.
Let's
Right?
reverse. Come on. Just getting stage fright.
Is it open?
I thought this was a 30-minute segment.
Going.
I gotta go pick up my car.
How can you leave the filmographer in your house?
Help yourself.
So yeah, I got ready for dinner. What are you doing? What is it that you're doing?
Okay.
Would you like some of this?
Yes,
Is
please.
this what my option is for tongs?
In the butter lettuce, we put any of that?
If you want, yeah. It's not just for show. You can also eat it.
Okay.
Oh, your plate looks really good. It looks better. You don't need to do mine. But we're about to find out.
Okay, let's do a.
Taste
Let's
test?
do an aerial.
A what?
An aerial.
What?
Like in the
What kind of spaghetti?
zucchini. Spaghetti.
I used to have a, what's it called? Spirulina? Is
Uh huh.
that what it's called?
No. The
Spiral something?
Jelly.
No, it's called something.
Yeah, to like spiral. But did you do a segment on it?
No.
Oh, okay.
You want to do that next time?